welcome to day 11. I just finished uploading day number 10. That is out. If you haven't watched it, make sure you go and watch that before this one, because this one is basically a continuation of day 10. Today is another reset day. I'm going to finish getting my house in order and making sure things are where they need to be and clean and organized. Today's task will include doing my laundry and taking my clothes to the laundromat. I have not done my clothes since last year, but at least there isn't that much laundry. It's not that bad and it's not that overwhelming, so I should be able to knock it out within no time today. I can't go any longer. I can't wait any more days without doing my laundry. I have nothing to wear anymore. I have no more clothes. I'm going to be getting done later on after work, because of course I got to go to work, and hopefully I can get my walk in today. I wasn't able to do my walk yesterday because it was just so much running around and going to the dentist, so hopefully today I can get my walk in, and maybe I might show you guys a little bit along my walk, because it'd be some beautiful views during my walk. This stuff is right around the corner, guys. Get outside and look at what is in your area, because I'm guaranteed we live in nature. Even if you live in the city, there's somewhere near the city where you can find to walk. There is no excuses. Right now I'm gonna finish getting ready for work. I'm gonna go hop in the shower and get myself together. Let me go get in the shower. So I'm about to get my walk clothes on now and head out and go for my walk. And then after that, I got to pick Sophie up from school. She had inspirational dance today. And then it's time to finally wash the clothes. I need to be out the door like right now. It is currently 44 degrees. Not too bad. Not too bad, but let's go out there for this walk. I'm ready. Them out there, whenever they see Moon, they always want to come running towards her to play. Look at them looking. See? It's the funniest thing. Look. Hello. You're only here because Moon. I know, because if it was just me, y'all would have ran. Say hi, Moon. They're so cute. Hi. All right, come on. This is one of my favorite parts of the walk, but it's also one of the most dangerous, because I ain't got nowhere to walk. That's why I gotta pick Moon up. But this is the most beautiful view, the lake on both sides. And when the sun is setting, it's so beautiful over there. And when the sun is rising, it's so beautiful over here. And it's just crazy how every day is different. The walk is finished. We are home. My walk is done. Moon enjoyed herself. We went and picked Sophie up from school. I am done work. Everything that needed to be done today is done. Now I can finally focus on getting my laundry done and take it to the laundromat. It's a little after 6 right now, but the thing that I like about taking my stuff to the laundromat is the fact that I can get everything done at one time, throw everything in a washer, then put everything into the dryer, bring it home, fold it, put it away. Laundry is done. I do it at least once a week. I don't like to go any longer than 2 weeks. After I go past 2 weeks, then I become overwhelmed. Then it's just chaos at that point. So I haven't done my laundry since last year, but thank God it isn't that bad and it won't take me that long. So let's get this stuff to the laundromat and get it clean. Ooh. If you are a laundromat goer, you make sure all your dirty stuff is up in the laundry. I done put this on, change into my sweatpants that I don't ever wear anywhere because it got a hole in the butt. That's why this is covering it, you know. Got my fuzzy socks on, and we ain't got nothing on under this because everything is getting washed and cleaned. All right, let's go. I got back from doing my laundry last night. I cooked at 8. By the time I was done everything, it was 10 o'clock. I passed out. I still gotta fold my clothes. We'll do that later on in the day. I also need to get this kitchen in order. That's gonna be the task for today. And get some groceries in this house. I have a good amount of groceries, but I don't have no fruit. I just need to make sure we have all the necessities. And continue getting this house together. I just have to organize all of this. Get rid of some stuff and add some stuff. If you watched my video 2 days ago, I tried this and it's so good. I had put it on some of my coffee. Amazing. Sprinkled a little nutmeg and cinnamon on it. Yeah, it was fire. As you can see, my fruit, yeah, I need to get some fruit. And then usually I have oranges in here. Finally almost done everything that I have to do. As you've seen, I just put my groceries away. We are well into day number 12. I'm actually about to go for my walk now. I only have a few things left to do to complete everything that I had to do for these last 3 days. Got to put my clothes away and fold those up, hang everything up, and have Sophie do that with hers as well. I need to pick her up from school in a couple hours once I get back from my walk. One thing that I also like to do when I go grocery shopping is buy flowers for myself, and I always keep flowers on my table in my kitchen, so later on in the day I will put those together. That's a time of the day that I really like. I don't like to really just throw the flowers into the vase or anything like that, so that part I just save. I really enjoy arranging the flowers and making it look beautiful and placing each one where I think it should go, but you'll see that later. Alright, let's finish the duties. Let's finish getting everything together so my brain can be back. Just got back from my walk. I actually took a couple minutes to sit and just enjoy the scenery for a little bit since I had a little bit of extra time. I'm going to prepare some food for dinner. I'm always hungry. I need some water too, so that's probably really what it is. I'm thirsty.
That some people are going to be smoking and drinking in that car, and usually it's a man, what's up? Ida wrote about her train experience in the Black community. I mean, all the newspapers were owned by white men, so you can imagine she seems to be someone you just can't silence because and they're there when I need them. And I can reach them from the comfort of my country became more and more divided. Black Americans started to skyrocket. Next fight became personal for Ida. I'm talking about guns. They essentially, so this is when they realized that angry protesters were already a plot against white people. People doing. You're not sure where to Squares, from websites and online stores to marketing. But Ida knew that enslaved because the enslaved valued in the eyes of the... Yeah, I know. It was like almost there, you know, just so close. Ida and others descended from some of the nations present. A photo at the front of the march was published in newspapers all across the country.
And I'll take some rice too.
Vermont, and we gotta get somewhere that is not gonna be as exposed to the winter conditions when we're gone. We're leaving our home right here, nice and safe and sound. Whew. Gotta go right to the
Me and Sophie are nice and full. I'm not hungry anymore. Now it's time to finally tackle these clothes and get them put away. Most of my clothes actually just get hung up. I prefer my clothes hung up. I like to be able to see everything that I have. I have everything organized, so it just makes this so much more simpler. When I'm getting ready, I could just see everything. The things that I have in my drawers would be like t-shirts like this and leggings. Let me complete this last big task and I will feel so relieved.
Easy come, easy go, will you let me go? Bismillah. It's not in the way that you said to me. It's not in the way. Somewhere to begin. Somewhere on my way.
Instagram, get it together. Your comments. Pull up.
Finally made it to the part of the video which I am excited for. Everything is done. Clothes are washed, put away, picked up the groceries for the next week or two, washed all the dishes, took out the trash. Now I am about to have my moment with my flowers and put them together in arrangement. I'm going to end the video here. So if you made it this far into the video, I really appreciate it. Thank you for your support. I hope that your days are going well. If they aren't, I hope that they get better, because things always get better. Life is just a roller coaster of ups and downs. Today was a little crazy in the brain. It was a lot going on, so during my walk, that was why I had to sit and take a moment to breathe. But I love you so much. I will catch you in the next video, and yeah, peace out.